Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Battlefield 6, please update your NVIDIA GeForce Driver. Then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error in Battlefield 6. So first of all, you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for NVIDIA GeForce, and then you're going to go into this first link from nvidia.com, and then you're going to click onto drivers on here. And once you're here, you're going to click download now on here, and you're going to download this app up and go ahead and install this NVIDIA application. And then when you open up that app, you'll get a menu like this. You're going to click check for updates on here. And once it finds an update for your graphics card's driver, you're going to click download on here. And then that way you can update your NVIDIA graphics card's drivers. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying error on Battlefield 6. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.